Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. It is time for my Allure beauty box unboxing. This is my February box. If you're not familiar with the Allure beauty box, I was wondering why I hadn't received mine in the beginning of this month, February, and because I get another subscription box, my Sips by Tea subscription box, and that comes like clockwork, almost that first week of the month. But apparently the Allure box can come to you, I think, anytime the first 3 weeks of the month. And I got mine pretty much the third week of the month. I am not a subscription box kind of person when it comes to makeup, but this was gifted to me by my son. And now that I'm opening it up, I really do enjoy it a lot. So thank you to my older son who gave me this box for my birthday. So we're gonna open this up and let's see what I got inside. The past couple of boxes that I've gotten from Allure, I've really enjoyed all the products in them. I really do love this box. So there's always kind of an informational card when you open the box up. Never read these usually. When you look inside the box, there's some paper, and then when you open it up, ooh, some goodies inside here. See what we got. First things first, I got a brush. Oh, I can always use a brush. It's a NYX Professional makeup brush, and let me see what this feels like. You know, I have a lot of makeup brushes. It's the one thing I usually don't buy a lot anymore of, so when I can get one in a beauty box, I really do enjoy it a lot. Okay, this is nice. Very soft for NYX. I am impressed. Really soft. I'll see how it washes and everything else and let you know about it, but it is really a pretty, beautiful brush. I think I'll probably use this maybe for applying my bronzer. I think that's what I would mainly use this for. But I really like that brush. Nice and big, extremely soft. I like the two-tone color, and the bristles are just, oh, so nice. Okay, the next big thing in my box is this, and it's from Olay. It's Olay Vitamin B3 Plus Retinoid Complex, a non-greasy formula. And let's open this up. It says it's a night moisturizer and it's fragrance free. It's very tiny. I may get like 2 uses out of this maybe. I don't know. It's super tiny. It says it's fragrance free, which is nice. Yep, and that's what it looks like. Not really thrilled with this. You know, I think this is really kind of small. I actually have retinol from a company that I really love. Let me grab it here. It's on my vanity. I love this retinol. I get it from a company called Go Pure. I think it's cruelty-free company, but I really like it. You push this down and then the cream comes out of the hole, so you're never sticking your fingers in it. Go Pure Retinol Cream, intensive formula, retinol, vitamins E and B, and green tea. Love this retinol. I'll use that, but I wouldn't buy an Olay retinol, really. Okay. Next product is Belief. It looks like in these boxes you're gonna get a mixture of drugstore and more higher end, when I say higher end, things you might see in Sephora. And this is Belief Peach Miracle Revital Eye Cream. It says it improves skin's elasticity. Now for an eye cream this size is okay. It looks really nice and thick at least. I love thick eye creams. I'm not a big fan of Belief. Isn't that funny? I know a lot of people really love their products, but I've tried a lot of their moisturizers. I just don't like them that much. But I'll see how this eye cream is. I love eye creams. I use eye creams every night. I slather them all under my eyes and I put them all on top of my lids. I am a true believer in eye creams. The next little thing looks like a little sample in here, and this is from Wander Beauty. I do like Wander Beauty. I like their products. Let me cut this open and see what it is. It says it's Wondrous Glow. It must be a highlighter maybe? Ooh, beautiful. Ooh, that is pretty. That's really very, ooh, it's like cream. Very creamy. Let me see if I can find my little, very pretty. It reminds me a lot of like Ofra's highlighters. They're powder, but they almost feel like a cream. This shows absolutely no texture on my skin. It gives you a really nice punch I love highlighters. I just love highlighters. So this is beautiful. I really like this. This is gonna go with the rest of my highlighters. And then I have this, which is from Bare Minerals. It says it is their Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. It says empower, replenish, renew, fortify, powered by long life, herb, California poppy, and lem puyang. I'll write it down here, ginger extracts. After cleansing your skin, apply 2 pumps over the entire face and neck. Use morning and night. I'm assuming it's kind of an maybe aging moisturizer, I'm guessing. I'll have to read a little bit more about this, but this is from Bare Minerals. And I also have in here, which I love, a mask. And this is Super Bow Tea Mask. I think that's how you say that. Rose blended with Jarrett tea. Honey Jarrett, that's how you say that. It's a face mask. Selected premium tea and rose extract, contains antioxidant, brightening, and calming effects, which allows the skin to stay moisturized and rejuvenated. Made in Korea, and I guess this is the name of the company, Honey Jarrett, I'm guessing. It's a moisturizing and brightening mask. Love, love masks, so this will definitely be something I will use. Finally, the last thing I have in here is from a company called Appeal. Never heard of it. I'm guessing it's a drugstore because just the way the lipstick feels, it feels kind of super lightweight. Even though it looks kind of elegant, it's extremely lightweight. So it feels more like a drugstore lipstick. It doesn't feel like a nice heavy lipstick in my hand from a Luxe brand. Very pretty. I think the name of this is Muse. So let me take off my lipstick and I'll at least show you this. All right, so the color of it on my hand is that. Really pretty color. It's kind of a rosy pink, very creamy. It feels really good on my lips. I probably would add just a touch of dimension to it with this. Like that. Very, very pretty. I liked majority of the things in this month's box. Of the boxes I've gotten so far, this one is probably the one I like least. The things I really do like in this box are the Wander Beauty highlighter. The lipstick I think is really pretty, something I'll definitely use, and the mask. Love that. So that's it for my Allure February box unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.